up YouTube family, welcome back in new video. In this video we will cover amusement park as well as adventure island, and in this video you will get to know every part of adventure island as well as amusement park. So this amusement park is situated in adventure island and it is nearby Rithala metro station. So whenever you are coming, you have to come nearby Rithala metro station. So in this video we will cover every part of this amusement park as well as adventure island. I hope you will enjoy a lot and I will give you every information regarding adventure island and amusement park. So be in touch, watch this video till end. Two directions of entering inside that adventure island. So this one is the first direction of adventure island. Here you can enjoy with water.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no, hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no, keep running.
That one is water park area. Another one is adventurous activities. That side you can do adventurous activities, like you will get roller coaster and everything to enjoy there. And कैसा लग रहा है? डर नहीं रहे हो? डर नहीं लग रहा? हाँ, डर नहीं रहे हो? डर नहीं रहे हो? देखने तो दीजिए, डरेंगी फिर आप। and you will get one ticket around 400, and in 400 you will get opportunity to enjoy a lot in that adventure island as well as in amusement park. This one is the recent views of this adventure island amusement park. You will get to know everything, and that one is beautiful part of this adventure island, runway 1. So runway 1 where you can enjoy with your family, you can celebrate birthday as well as you can have dinner, snacks, lunch, everything you can have there. डर लग रहा है, रोना मत, हाँ पकड़ लो इसको, डर रही है, यहाँ जोर से पकड़ना है, यहाँ पे धक 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 होंगी, यहाँ पे आगे वहाँ पे, डरना मत। मजा आ रहा है, आपको मजा नहीं आ रहा, डर रही है, डरना नहीं है। हाँ टेढ़ा नहीं है, टेढ़ा हो रहा है, ऐसे बना हुआ ही है। Another part of this adventure island, and this one is a sky jumper. If you are really interested in jumping, this one is good, really fantastic for you. And
when the lights go down, I've seen hell in you, but you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it
all. We can enjoy a lot in this adventure island. There are a lot of things to enjoy. What can you imagine without food? Can we enjoy? No, never. So this one is Pind Baluchi, and here you can have a lot of things, and I'm showing you recent views as well as menu, so you can get a lot of food, North Indian, South Indian, Chinese, whatever you wish you can get it. enjoy without Chinese food? Never. So this code is for you. This one is Chinese Junction and this one is for you. Here you can have a lot of Chinese items. Have covered everything in Adventure Island as well as amusement park. I hope you will enjoy this video and you will share with your family, with your friend. For more updates, follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much.